In this video, I'm going to explain what a Cash App business account is and the difference between a personal and business account. By the way, if you're a business owner, Cash App is probably not the right solution for you. But more on that later. A Cash App personal account is designed for everyday users who want to send money to friends, receive payments, use a Cash App card, and manage simple transactions. A Cash App business account, on the other hand, is made for people who sell products or services and want to accept payments from customers through Cash App. One major difference is transaction fees. Personal accounts usually don't charge fees for standard peer-to-peer payments, while business accounts charge a small processing fee when receiving customer payments. Business accounts also give customers more confidence because payments are clearly marked as business transactions. Another difference is taxes and reporting. Business transactions may be tracked differently, and Cash App can issue tax forms for eligible accounts depending on payment activity and local regulations. If you run a small business, freelance service, online shop, or side hustle, a business account may be more suitable. But if you only use Cash App for friends and family, a personal account is usually enough. You can also switch between personal and business settings directly inside the Cash App app depending on your needs. Cash App is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. Link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.